Hello everyone and welcome. A few months back I made a review of the WolfBox MF100 Blower Duster. That video was so popular that when I found out that WolfBox came out with a new and improved version of that duster, I thought I would make a review video for this new version. This new MF200 duster from WolfBox has a lot of new features, making it better than the previous model, yet still being almost the same price. So if you've been looking for a good quality and affordable air duster but didn't know which one to get, then stick around as I unbox and test this guy. Alright then, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. So let's talk a little bit about some of the features that this guy has, but before we get started testing this guy, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. That way you get notified every time I do another product review video, DIY project, or a sale at a big box store where I can help you save more money. Alright then, so this is the MF200 Air Duster from WolfBox, available on Amazon, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this kit retails for $99.99, but they also have a 10% discount coupon on the Amazon page, bringing it down to around $90, which is quite economical for a good duster like this. The warranty on this guy is 1 year, and the dimensions on this guy are 7 inches by 4 inches by 1.5 in thickness, and it only weighs 0.85 pounds, so 0.8 of a pound, really very lightweight. So what do you get when you unbox this guy? Well, you get the duster itself, you get 4 different types of nozzles for getting into all sorts of crevices and all sorts of places for doing cleaning. You get the instruction manual that brings you everything about this guy, tells you how to take care of it, clean it, maintain it, all that kind of good stuff. You get a nice pouch to keep it in when you're not using it. You get a charging cable and some brushes to clean it when it gets a little bit dusty. Now this is the new and improved Super Air Duster from WolfBox. It retains all the good features of the previous model, like 150,000 miles per hour airspeed, brushless motor, Type-C fast charging, and more. But this new MF200 also gives you new features like a removable 6,000 milliamp hour battery that gives you up to 100 minutes of runtime, plus a flat base making it easier to stand up. The previous model had a rounded base, which was not as convenient, and I'll show you that in a moment if you want to get a reference of what that looks like. And you can always go check out the video I made for that one if you're curious about the 2 different models. I'll put a link to that one in the corner if you want to go check that one out. Now with this new and improved version, you can stand it up conveniently anywhere so you don't have to worry about rolling away when you put it down. Having a replaceable battery also means that you don't have to wait to recharge the battery when it runs out of charge. Just pop in a new battery and keep doing whatever work you're doing of dusting and cleaning. It also means that when the battery degrades eventually and stops taking a charge, you can easily insert a new fresh battery and you don't need to throw away the entire duster in the garbage like you would have to do with other models. This new version also has a bigger rubber overmold on the handle to make it more comfortable to hold on to. So this new and improved WolfBox MF200 has a lot of cool new features, making it more versatile, but it's still a very useful device for cleaning your keyboards, cleaning out the inside of your dusty computer, cleaning crevices, or dusting and drying just about anything that you need. Instead of a big bulky blower, this little guy has enough power with wind speed to help you blow out dust just about anywhere you need to blow it out from. So let's take a little closer look at this guy and see how it performs. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at the WolfBox MF200 Duster Blower. This is the MF200 right here, but I thought I'd give you a comparison since I have the old and the new. This is the older one, the MF100. You can see how the 100 compares to the bigger brother, the MF200. This is the new and improved version, and you can see just by looking at it. Bigger rubber overmold on this guy, so it's easier to hold on to. This one has a rounded base. As you can see right there, the bottom of it is rounded, so you can't really stand it up. It falls over. There's no way to stand this guy up anywhere. This guy, they improved it, and now you can stand it up without any problem at all. Stand it up anywhere you like, and it stays right there. That is a convenient improvement. Now, this guy is a little bit bigger. You can see the dimensions of the body. They're a little bit bigger. You put them next to each other, you see that the blower, the fan, is a little bit bigger on the MF200 compared to the MF100. And the body itself, you see, is also a tiny bit bigger to accommodate bigger, better batteries. So this guy is an improvement over this other one. Now, there's nothing wrong with this guy. They still sell this guy. If you want to get this guy, you can get it a little cheaper than this guy. It's only about $10, $20 difference between the two of them. But this guy is an improvement if you want the latest, the greatest, and all the best features in there. But they're pretty much identical. They're both WolfBox. They both have the same quality. Down here, you can see right there, they each have their little LED indicators that tells you how much battery charge you have. Let's take a closer look at this guy here, talk about all the different features that it has. Back here, you have the speed indicator. This is your on-off button right there. And this button right here is the one you press to basically turn on the fan, turn it on and off. Now for turbo mode, like right here, you see you can have all the different speeds on there, the 3, high, medium, low. And basically on high, you have to hold it, just like the previous version. You have to hold it or it'll turn itself off. On low or medium, it'll run just by pressing it one time. So right there, let's see, that's medium. You press it, and you see it'll run till you turn it off. On low, same thing. It runs till you turn it off. But on high, the other one had the same feature. You have to hold it, or it won't run. I don't know why they do that. Safety feature or something, maybe to keep it from falling over or causing damage. I don't know, but that's the way they always do it with the different WolfBox fans. So there you go, a nice big fan, gives you a lot of blowing power going through that guy. And this guy has the added feature, this button right here, that is for removing the battery. So you press this guy and pull out the battery, and there you go. And this guy is rubberized also, so it stays in there and there's no rattling around. So you have a rubber overmold here and a rubber overmold all the way around the battery. Those are the contacts inside, and there you go. That's what it looks like. Slip it in there, and it's ready to go. You pull it out, press the button again, and if you have another one, take the other battery, pop it in, and then you put the battery to charge. There is the charging port for the battery, USB-C. So the charging port is on the battery itself, not on the device, so you don't have to tie up the device when you're charging the battery. Take the battery, put it off to the side, charge it separately, and continue using the device. That is a pretty cool feature. So that is totally, one is independent of the other. Now, let me show you the different speeds on here so you can at least hear what they sound like. You press that button to turn it on, and then I'll show you the speed. Let's start off on low. That's not too bad. Light dusting. Go to medium. That shows you what that sounds like. Now let's go to turbo. That is like a tornado in a box, a tornado in your hands. That thing is super strong. So that can blow dust out of pretty much anywhere. And that's what's really great about these guys. They're really great for blowing dust, not only your keyboard and your computer and stuff like that, all your electronics, all that kind of stuff. Perfectly safe for cleaning all your electronics and all those devices. But I have found, since I started reviewing these different blowers, they're really great for cleaning out crevices. Like, for example, a while back, I was doing some tile work, and I had to get all the grout and all the garbage that gets inside between the different tiles so I could put new material in there. Well, a big bulky blower is not going to help you clean that out. And no matter what you clean it with, a toothpick or whatever, some debris is still going to be in there. But I used one of these guys to clean that out, and all sorts of garbage came blowing out between the different tiles. So they really come in helpful for all sorts of DIY projects around the house, no matter what you're doing. Really, really convenient. And if you're working under a sink or under a cabinet or something like that, and you're trying to do some work, clean something up, you can't get a big bulky blower under there, but these guys can get into just about anywhere and help you clean things out. So that is one of the very convenient things that I have found about these guys. They're not only for office use, for cleaning electronics and stuff, they're great for all sorts of DIY stuff. I use them all around the house when I want to get into a really tight place. So that is a really great way to use these guys. And it costs about the same as any other blower, but you get an added convenience of a very small size. So let's do a little bit of dusting and blowing with this guy and see what it can do. Alright guys, so I emptied out a couple of drawers from my spare parts bin and put them all right there on top of my bench. These are big, heavy-duty nuts. I mean, you can see some of them are pretty big and hefty. Nice and heavy. They're all metal. There's no plastic in there. And we're going to see if this WolfBox blower can blow these guys all around. So let's give it a go and see what it can do. Because, you know, if it can blow metal parts around, it can blow dust off of anything, which is what its mission statement is, blowing dust off of everything and cleaning things up. But, like I said before, I've used this for other stuff way more than what its intended use is supposed to be. So let's see what it can do with these guys. There you go. Like I said, this little WolfBox is a little tornado in your hand. It can blow stuff all over the place. Look at the mess that I just made from that big pile of metal nuts that we had. It blows it all over the place. There you go. It can blow all sorts of stuff all over the place. So it has a lot of power to it. Alright guys, so what keyboard duster video would be complete without cleaning a keyboard? Well, here you go. My pad right there is actually getting pretty dusty. I have to clean it once again. Every so often, you got to clean this guy off because you get the dead skin built up and stuff like that. So let's clean this guy up and see what it can do. So there you go. It's a lot cleaner than it was a few minutes ago. This only comes out with soap and water. Every so often, I got to use some soap and water on this guy to clean it up. But aside from that, all the other loose dust is gone. So it worked out great for cleaning the keyboard. There you have it. Alright guys, there you have it, a review and demonstration of a convenient, powerful, and affordable keyboard duster from WolfBox. The new and improved MF200 blower duster. Just as good as the previous version, but with some convenient improvements built in. Keep in mind that the holidays are just around the corner, and this would make a great gift for the DIYer in your family. Use it to clean keyboards or do all sorts of DIY projects, which I have used them for all sorts of projects, and I can tell you that these guys are great for anything you need to clean or blow out with a powerful stream of wind. Check out the links below for all the information. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.